Hello everyone. This application is all about timesheet calendar for Odoo 17 version community. In this module, you will be able to manage the timesheet by weekly, monthly, and daily. You can schedule the timesheet activity by project wise, task, duration, employee, and the description. Based on the start date and end date and time which you have provided, hours spent will be calculated automatically and that will be updated in this particular timesheet calendar. So now I will show how this application will be working. First, I'll go to all timesheet and here I'm in the list view. I will go to the calendar view. You can see the calendar. I'll go to the calendar view. In this particular calendar view, I will be setting the task for the today. You can see here there is a day, week, month and here. So based on this, you can be scheduling the timesheet calendar based on day or a week or a month and for a year also. Now I'll click on day. So today's date will be coming. So I will be clicking on anywhere. So you can see the project will be appearing. I'll be selecting the project. I will be putting up the task for which task. And if there is any description for this particular task, you can just put the same description here in this field, description field. And you can select the employee, like which employee have this timesheet calendar for this particular day or month. So the date will be today, and you can set the date based on whichever the event is going on. So from 7:30, I'm applying till 7:30. So it is 12 hours spent, and I'll be saving and closing. So once this is completed, you can see there is a all day calendar for this particular date. This will be created. If you click on this, you can see all the details of this particular task. You can delete this particular task or you can edit it. If you want to edit, you can click on edit this task and you can see this will be opening. You can edit this and save and close. So if you want to delete this, you can click on this particular delete button. So automatically this will be deleted. So if you want to schedule this timesheet calendar for the week, then you can select on a week and here you can give the project for which project you are creating and for which task you are creating. And if you have any description for this particular task, you can provide the description and for which employee you can select and the date will be given and the timing from which week, that is from 20th of that particular week to the next week, that is 31st or 30th. So based on that particular week, you can select the date and you can hour spent will be coming automatically. And if you save and close this, you will be able to view for that particular week all the information will be calculated. I'll go to the month view. In month view, you can see from 20th to 30th, I have scheduled for 1 week whole timesheet calendar, so that will be updated. You can click on this and see and view the all the information. You can edit this or you can delete this. Similarly, if you want to set any timesheet calendar for a month, you can click on the month and you can come to this and you can add the project and the internal what is a project, what is a task, and if there is any description, you can just provide that particular description also. And now I'll be providing the training as a description and I'll give the employee for which employee is this is applicable and the date and from which date to which date is this is applicable and hour spent will be coming and you can save and close. So here you can see the internal training task has been created. You can edit it or you can delete it if not required. We have a year also. Clicking on this particular year, you can see whole calendar of that particular year will be coming up in this view. And if you want to schedule it for any of the next or coming months, you can select the project, you can give the task and description, and you can say select the employee for which employee, and you can select the date. So from which date to which date, and based on that hour spent will be calculated. You can save and close. So for the year also you can see this will be updated. Here you can see the light color which is shown here will be blocked for that particular timesheet calendar for that particular employees. And once this is done, you can go again back to the list view. And in the list view also, you will be able to see all the uh, timesheet calendar which we have created in the timesheet view. That is in a calendar view. You can see we have created this particular task and for this particular employees for this particular date. So whatever in the calendar is created, this will be coming up in the list view of this particular project or the task. So this is regarding the timesheet calendar, which we can do it daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.